Introducing the Homesteader Car Hauler, the perfect solution for your vehicle and equipment hauling needs. This 2027 model features a 22-foot length, 8.5-foot width, and 7-foot high sidewalls with a gross vehicle weight rating of 9,950 pounds and is equipped with 2 axles, including 5,200-pound axles. With its 2x6 tube steel mainframe, this trailer provides a strong foundation for demanding hauling applications. The rear ramp makes loading easy, and the 32-inch side door provides convenient additional access. Inside, you'll find 4 5,000-pound D-rings for secure tie-down points. The 5,200-pound axles provide the hauling capability you need, and the enclosed design keeps your cargo protected during transport. The generous interior clearance makes it easier to work with taller cargo and equipment. Whether you're hauling cars, equipment, or tools, this trailer has the space and strength you need. It's perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike. And the best part? This trailer is available for $11,775. Financing options are available, so you can get on the road sooner. With its durable construction and versatile design, this trailer will provide years of reliable service, making it a valuable investment for your business or personal use. Call Trailer Shopper today at 608-237-7033.